In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for teaching. As educators, many of us have had to adapt to online tools to continue our teaching, and Google Meet is a fantastic resource for creating a virtual classroom. So let's dive into these simple steps that will help you set up and run your Google Meet sessions smoothly. To get started, first open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Meet website. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner for the Sign In button. Click on this and it'll prompt you to choose an account. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the correct one associated with your teaching activities. Enter your credentials and sign in. This step is crucial as it ensures you have access to all your scheduled meetings and teaching tools available via your Google account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to set up a new meeting. On the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a New Meeting button. Click on this and you'll be given several options. For this tutorial, we'll choose Start an Instant Meeting. This is particularly useful for impromptu sessions or when you need to dive right into a virtual classroom environment with your students without much delay. After initiating a meeting, you'll arrive at a screen showing a meeting link or code. This is the crucial link through which your students will join the session. You can copy this link and share it directly with your students via email, a classroom group chat, or any preferred communication platform you use for your class. It's convenient and ensures everyone knows exactly how to access the virtual classroom. Moreover, Google Meet also allows you to invite participants directly. You can do this by clicking on Add Others, which will provide you with options to send invitations via email right from the Meet interface. This is particularly helpful if you find certain students haven't yet joined and you wish to send a quick reminder. Before you start your class or meeting, do ensure that your microphone and audio settings are correctly configured. This ensures that your students can hear you clearly and you can conduct your session without technical interruptions. Taking a moment to perform a quick audio check can save a lot of potential hassle later on. That's it. You're now ready to conduct your class with Google Meet. These straightforward steps will help you engage with your students effectively, no matter where they or you might be working from. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a successful teaching experience using Google Meet.